Alright guys, so we are tuning in for a enhanced risk. They've upgraded since my last video. We still have a slight risk down in Oklahoma, Texas area. Mesoscale discussion for 100 to 130 mile per hour tornado winds. With wind gusts to 55 to 70 miles an hour. And peak hail size 2 inches to 3.5 inches as well. So if you're in that slight risk, make sure you guys are staying weather ready. There is no tornado watch warnings on that area yet, but obviously if there are, then I will update you guys. So just make sure you guys are staying weather ready down in Oklahoma and Texas. Now the bigger main area of interest is this area here. We have a slight risk affecting Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Fort Wayne, Indiana, and Madison, Wisconsin. We also have an enhanced risk for Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul, Minnesota, Green Bay, Wisconsin, Rochester, Minnesota, and Bloomington, Minnesota. Our big risk for enhanced is what we want to be watching today. We will go over the mesoscale here in a little bit, but these are all of areas affected by this big area. So let's look at the mesoscale discussion. So peak tornado intensity will be 120 to 150 miles an hour. Peak wind gust 55 to 70 miles an hour. Peak hail size 2 inches to 3.5 inches. This is for this whole enhanced and part of the slight risk areas, as you can see, with that red outline for both parts. The tornado watch is giving a 70% tornado risk and a 40% wind risk, as well as an 80% hail risk. So that is a pretty high tornado percentage. So please, if you are in this tornado watch enhanced area, make sure you are staying weather ready. You have a good way of getting weather news, and you are making sure that you have a route planned in case some unfortunate things happen. We might be going live possibly when all this starts kicking off, just kind of talking about what's going on. So you see that whole yellow area is our tornado watch with that 70% tornado risk is what it's saying right now. So make sure you are in that yellow area, you are staying weather ready. This is currently the weather out right now. Nothing really going on in those tornado watch area. There's a severe thunderstorm warning above Rochester currently. If we go over to models, this will kind of show us when everything's going to go down. That's kind of what the future is for later today. I have my time set in EST, so about 5 p.m. EST will be the first line of storms in that tornado watch area. So that's kind of when everything will start. And then it's going to start to pick up at 7 p.m. EST. And it's just going to continue throughout the night, as you can see. Finally leaving around 2 a.m. a.m. EST. But yes, this is your guys' day 2 outlook. We have another enhanced risk. This will be part of Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, and Aurora, Illinois, as well as a slight risk in Detroit, Michigan, another one in Oklahoma City, Kansas City. We will do more probably on an update on this tomorrow as we get mesoscale discussions about it and more of a detailed whatnot. But yes, this is what it is tomorrow. Kind of like a broad area, but we are more concerned about what's going to happen today in that enhanced and upper area, as well as down in Oklahoma City. And we might also be going live tonight because on my app here we do have live tornado storm chasers we can view. Yeah, tune in for later tonight.